is up? Good morning. Got this beautiful. Had to double check Saturday morning. Beautiful Saturday morning out here, y'all. Go for a little ride this morning, see what's going on out here on the filthy, dirty streets. I keep hearing sirens when I was getting the bike ready. Like little whoop 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 whoops. So it sounds like there's a speed trap in the area. We'll find out. Warm up the tires a little bit. I think I'm gonna take all that to what used to be Lekarica golf course. I think that guy was a little freaked out. So let's go and see Lekarica. John, tell me how this new view looks. I got the camera up under the visor now. Maybe I can see a little better. Or worse, I don't know, we'll see. They like to sit right up here, so I mean, I do try to be a little respectful, man, I ain't gonna lie. I know they got a job to do. It doesn't look like this is where that trap was, if there was a speed trap. Probably out there on 27. Old golf course used to be all out here, so we're gonna take y'all out there. Oh, golly, gotta get out that sand on them tires. Dang, these tires don't do me no good. Let's try it again. If you got a little speed going, you can kind of keep it going, but trying to pick up some speed with these tires in sand, very, very hard. So, this all used to be a super cool, beautiful, wonderful golf course. I don't know how many holes, but it is no more though. Not sure what that used to be. Looks like some sort of irrigation or something. So it looks like I've been out here a few times. I used to come out here a lot before I really like learned how to do wheelies, which is what I really love doing now. Sometimes it's just easier to avoid them. Easier, not more fun. Easier. Woo! Looks like way more people have been coming out here than used to. There's like little trails and stuff. Looks like side-by-side trails, four-wheeler trails. Nobody really rides dirt bikes around here. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of people that ride dirt bikes, but I would say there's probably more side-by-sides and four-wheelers than dirt bikes. Look at all that bamboo. bet you I could use that for the mast of my sailboat. Like, for real, for real. Definitely tall enough. I think I could. That'd be sick. Huh. Golf ball. I saw a golf ball. Look at someone took a bite out of that. So we got the mic in a new location. Camera. Ow! See, that's why if you're riding freaking dirt, man, you better have you some boots. Let's see if we can jump that. Not really. Kinda. We'll just turn around and we'll go back down through the golf course a little bit. Woo, them little stickers are stick you, poke you and stick you. I don't like being poked and sticked unless it's gonna stick and stay, like, you know what I mean, like a tattoo. Then it's worth it. Big trucks been out here finding power line trucks. Whoa, I don't know what that used to be over there. Probably a fairway. Yeah, I'm gonna exactly guess that's exactly what that used to be.